First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes manual, monitor with U-bracket, 3M sticker, windshield mount, cigarette lighter adapter, power cord, test wire, antenna, screw pack, RV camera, Furrion bracket kit and T-taps. Install one of the antennas on the camera. Install the other two antennas on the monitor. Connect one end of the two connectors of the test wire to the camera. Connect the other end of the test wire's two connectors to the monitor. Connect the other end of the test wire to the cigarette lighter adapter. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Test complete. Disconnect all wiring. Tear off the 3M sticker. Paste it on the bottom of the monitor bracket. You can tear off the other side of the 3M sticker and stick it on the dashboard. Loosen the nut to adjust the angle of the bracket. Adjust the angle and tighten the nut. Loosen the nut and remove the U-shaped bracket. Loosen the nuts on the windshield bracket. Align the bracket with the holes on the back of the monitor and snap it into place. The bracket can be flexibly adjusted to different angles. Remove the protective film from the bottom of the bracket. Install it on the dashboard or windshield. Press down on the bracket to release the air, and pull down the exhaust clip to secure it. After adjusting the angle, tighten the nut. Connect the power cord to the camera. The red wire is connected to the positive wire of the running lights, tail lights. The black wire is connected to the negative of the running lights, tail lights. The easiest way is connect the monitor to cigarette lighter outlet. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. Turn off the monitor's power supply. This is the SD card slot. Use a tool to loosen the nut on the cap. Remove the lid. Insert SD card. Put the lid on and secure it with screws. After insertion is complete, turn on the monitor's power. Press the third button to enter menu mode. Press the first and second buttons to switch to record, then press the fifth button to enter. Press the first and second buttons to switch to format, then press the fifth button to confirm. Press the first and second buttons to turn on the format function, then press the fifth button to confirm formatting. Formatting complete. Touch the third button to exit menu mode. Rec appears on the screen, indicating that recording is in progress. Touch the fifth button to turn the recording function on/off. Touch the first button to quickly enter brightness adjustment mode. Touch the first and second buttons to adjust the brightness. Touch the second button to quickly enter the zoom in, zoom out screen mode. Touch the first or second button to quickly zoom in or out on the screen. Touch the third button to enter, exit menu mode. Touch the fourth button to turn the screen on/off. The fifth button is the confirmation button. Touch the sixth button to switch camera channels. Touch the seventh button to turn the guideline on/off. Touch the third button to enter the menu mode. The first icon is the pairing signal. If the product you received has an image, the monitor cannot enter pairing mode. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the picture. Touch the fifth to confirm. Touch the fifth button to selected. Touch the first or second keys to adjust the brightness. Touch the third key to exit. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the contrast. Touch the fifth key to confirm. Touch the first or second keys to adjust the contrast. Touch the third key to exit. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the hue. Touch the fifth key to confirm. Touch the first or second keys to adjust the hue. Touch the third to exit. Touch the third button to return to the previous screen. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the mirror flip. Touch the fifth key to confirm. Touch the first and second keys to select the mode you need. Touch the third button to return to the previous screen. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the mode. Touch the fifth key to confirm. You can set the desired split mode here. Touch the third button to return to the previous screen. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the system. Touch the fifth key to confirm. Touch the fifth button to selected. Touch the first or second keys to adjust the system date. Touch the fifth key to confirm. Adjust year, month, day, hour, minute, second in turn. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the camera select. Touch the fifth key to confirm. Touch the first or second keys to turn on or off a specific single channel or split channel. Touch the third key to exit. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the P line. Touch the fifth key to confirm. When on is selected, press the fifth button to confirm, and it will automatically jump to the DIY guideline interface. Touch the third button to return to the previous screen. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the language. Touch the fifth key to confirm. Touch the first or second keys to select the language you need. Touch the third key to exit. Touch the third button to return to the previous screen. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the cam setup. Touch the fifth key to confirm. You can turn on, off the cameras, or turn on, off auto scan, and adjust the scan time here. Touch the third button to return to the previous screen. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the record. Touch the fifth key to confirm. You can enable or disable the recording function, rewrite function, format SD function here. Touch the third button to return to the previous screen. Touch the first or second keys to switch to the play. Touch the fifth key to confirm. Touch the first or second keys to select the video you want. Touch the fifth key to watch. Touch the third button multiple times to exit menu mode. Touch the seventh button to turn the guideline on, off. When the guideline appear on the screen, long touch the sixth key, the H appear on the screen. Touch the first and second buttons to move the guideline left and right. Touch the sixth key, the M appear on the screen. Touch the first and second buttons to adjust the width of the guideline. Touch the sixth key, the V appear on the screen. Touch the first and second buttons to adjust the height of the guideline.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.